Hi guys, welcome to Tag My College. Today we will be talking about the top 10 engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu. So the state we'll be covering today is Tamil Nadu. So before moving ahead, let's just know more about Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the one of the 29 states of India, and the capital and the largest city of the Tamil Nadu is Chennai, which is also known as your Madras. Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India by area and the sixth most populous, and the state is as well as ranked as the sixth among the states in India according to Human Development Index in 2011. So that was your Tamil Nadu, which is also ranked as one of the top 10 7 developed states in India. So that was about Tamil Nadu. Moving ahead, next we have is the list of top 10 engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu. So here's the top 10 names I have under the top 10 engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu. So one by one we'll be talking about them. The very first is IIT Chennai. That is Indian Institute of Technology. Chennai also is IIT Madras, is the one of the India's most prestigious university, and the campus is stunning. It is too apt for study, research and extracurricular activities. In single line, IIT Madras, its outstanding technical institute with green and eco-friendly campus in Chennai. And some notable alumni are Anand Rajaraman, Krishna Bharati, Anant Agarwal. And the fees for the technical integrated course is 4,77,330 in IIT Chennai. So that is the big name, IIT Chennai, I've just covered. Moving ahead, next is your National Institute of Technology at number 2, that is NITT. NITT is situated in Tiruchirappalli of Tamil Nadu, and it considers JEE mains rank for the admission. Fee is approx 3,14,800 and is as well as recognized as the Institute of National Importance by Government of India. So that was NITT, that is National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. Moving ahead, it's number 3. I have Coimbatore Institute of Engineering and Technology, that is CIET. CIET is basically, it is situated in Coimbatore of Narasimpuram district in Tamil Nadu, and the score, that is TANCET score, is considered over here in order to get admission in this Coimbatore Institute of Engineering and Technology. That is, you have to give the state level exam in order to get admission in this college, and the fee for the BTech courses is 1,16,880, and companies like TCS, Tech Mahindra, HP, Cognizant, Westin, L&T are basically the big names which comes under the placement list by Coimbatore Institute of Engineering and Technology. So that was number 3, that is Coimbatore Institute of Engineering and Technology. At number 4 we have SRM University, Chennai. Talking about SRM University, it is the best known for its wide campus. Campus of SRM is so widely spread that within a campus, several facilities like hostel, cafeteria, library, etc. are easily accessible. And another thing, in order to get admission, you have to give JEE mains. Do not mess with your JEE mains exam over here, guys, because if you're aiming SRM University, then JEE mains is quite mandate. So that was SRM University. And moving ahead, at number 5 we have Tiruvalluvar College of Engineering and Technology. Talking about Tiruvalluvar College of Engineering and Technology, it is also known as TCET of Tamil Nadu, which is located in Vandavarsi of Tamil Nadu, and it's a private education institute where the fee is approx 2,06,600, and in case of admission you have to give TNEE exam. That is, the TNEE score is required to take up the admission process in a further way. And the one more good thing about this TCET college is that even if you match with your 12th percentage, you need not have to worry about. The minimum score required is 50 percentage, whereas for the 40 to 35 in case of SC/ST, and 45 in case of OBC, and 40% in the case of MBC and DNC. So that is, general people just require 50% marks in their 12th in order to get admit, or in order to fulfill the eligibility by TCET college. So that was number 5, TCET. Moving ahead, at number 6 I have Congo Engineering College. Congo Engineering College is situated in Perundurai of Erode district in Tamil Nadu, and which is affiliated to your Anna University, one of the best campus environment college with good educational system. The fee for the BTech courses is 1,16,808, quite affordable. That was number 6. Moving ahead, at number 7, I have Karunya University. Talking about Karunya University is a private university located in Coimbatore. That's a good place to learn life plus engineering. You'll get multiple skills under just one roof. This place can basically bring out the unknown self hidden inside you. So that was the Karunya University at number 7. Moving ahead, at number 8, I have Sona College of Technology. Sona College of Technology is located in Salem of Tamil Nadu. It is affiliated to Anna University of Chennai. University highly supports one's idea and innovation, and being in the main city, access to the bus stand, railway station and other marketplaces quite easy. As well as you can see, fee for this BTech course is 3,06,000 only. Then we have at number 9, Amrita School of Engineering, Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeeth University. Amrita School of Engineering is a part of Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeeth of Coimbatore, and it is located in Coimbatore of Tamil Nadu. Amrita's campus is quite similar to your IITs and NITs with world-class facilities. University maintains a minimal standard of strictness to maintain the discipline as well. Fee for the BTech course is 8,90,000 in this institute, and the various kinds of scholarships are as well as provided to the students on the basis of their AE rank, that is Amrita Entrance Examination Engineering rank, and as well as some of you have scored in their state boards or ICSE boards good, they can also redeem these scholarship available over here. So that was number 9, Amrita School of Engineering of Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeeth University. At number 10, that is the last, I have B.S. Abdul Rahman University. Talking about B.S. Abdul Rahman University, it is a private university in Chennai of Tamil Nadu. It's a good place to study with diversified course. You can get good knowledge. It has a quite peaceful campus. Intake in B.S. Abdul Rahman University is by JEE main scores, and as well as the B.S. Abdul Rahman University conducts its own exam, that is known as BSA UEEE. On the basis of both of the exam, on the basis of one of the exam, that is either you can consider JEE mains or BSA UEEE. On the basis of those score, admission is provided to the candidate in B.S. Abdul Rahman University. So those were all 10 names which comes under the top 10 engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu. So that was all for this video. To know more about our updates, please do not forget to subscribe us at Tag My College. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.